Hello and welcome back to my channel. It's Serene's Life. I hope you're having a great day so far. To get started, I'm gonna be doing some nail prep. First, I'm gonna be cutting my nails. My nails were already pretty short, so it didn't take long. Nail prep is extremely important if you want your nails to last for a long time. I've tried many methods and this has worked the best for me. Next, I'm gonna be removing my cuticles using this cuticle remover. After 15 seconds, I'm using this tool to push back my cuticles. I'm also going in with my cuticle nipper to get rid of any remaining bits. After putting on dehydrator, I'm lightly buffing the surface of my nails. The last step of my nail prep is applying some primer and base coat. Next, I'm going to be choosing my nail tips. As usual, it's better to size up than size down, and you want the tips to fit sidewall to sidewall. Also, don't forget to leave room for an apex. The reason why it's better to size up is because you can always buff the edges of the nail tips. For nail application, I first put primer on the insides of the nail tips and then go in with builder gel. I then apply my nail tip using a flash curing lamp. If you accidentally get some gel on your skin, you can use this tool to separate them. I'm following the exact same process for my right hand. also took some time to buff the surface of my nail tips. I like to put another layer of base coat before putting on any background colors. For this nail set, I used some new items I got from Amazon. I got these planet jewel charms and I plan to use the blue one today. I also got this gel polish kit from Beetles. I decided to use this nude color for my thumbnail. Since I decided to go with blue today, I chose any potential colors I could use. For my left middle nail, I'm placing a white milky coat. One thing that I highly struggle with when doing my nails is making them look extra clean. Because of this, I'm grabbing a liner brush to clean up the edges before curing it again. I decided to go in with this baby blue color for my ring finger. If you see my previous nail videos, you know that I like to keep my pinky relatively simple, so I put on this shiny blue nail polish. Another new product that I got from Amazon is this Cateye nail polish set. The colors are pretty similar to one another, but I'm just really excited to use the magnet. Before using it, I'm placing this light blue nail polish on my index finger. I tried to keep it as clean as possible, but I still have a lot of work to do. One coat of the Cateye polish looked a bit too light, so I put on a second coat and used the magnet again. I ended up creating this nice diagonal line. Besides painting some white sparkles on my ring finger, I'm painting two hearts on my index finger. I'm also outlining them with some darker blue nail polish. I'm going to be using some charms for my thumbnail. Going in with a lot of builder gel, I'm placing these blue flowers. I'm also placing these silver beads in the middle of them. I also added some pearls around the nail. I'm always extra generous with builder gel and make sure I seal all the edges. These flowers actually turn green under UV light, but eventually they'll turn back to blue. The last thing I'm gonna do for my left nails is adding some blue charms on my pinky. I really like using this set of charms. The only con is that you have to sift through all of them for the colors that you like.